Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is something different. We are gonna open gifts. Merry Christmas everybody, and I'm just gonna show you the gifts that I received this time. Okay, let's start. The first item hand looks so big on this. It's well packed. I need a scissor. Oh. These are lunch boxes. This is the brand. I love it. Print. Thank you. Okay. Let's open up another one. Which should I open next? Alright. This is from another friend. I won't mention the names. Gosh, I'm so stupid. I just opened it. Alright, it's here. It's an iPhone case. I love it. He said that I would love it because it's very minimal. And look at that. Can't wait to use this. Thank you. Alright, next. It's nicely wrapped with a card. Thank you for being a friend. Aww. Thank you. See, this is actually what I don't like, when you need to wrap and then you are just gonna tear it. I don't know, guys. Do you really reuse wrappers, Christmas gift wraps? Because I feel like it's not really environmental friendly. I'm so sorry. I know you work hard for this, but what's this? Wow, I love it. Oh, I have one of these actually, and it smells so good. So I have it. I have this, and the scent is, well, I don't know, but this is very useful nowadays. Hand gel, sanitizers, and she also gave me this, which I really need right now because I think my stock is running out already. And of course, a face mask. So cute. And what is this? Wow. Oh, thank you. I love this pouch where I can keep all my makeups. Thank you so much. Yay! Alrighty, next is from a dear friend. Oops, sorry for showing your name, but what is this? Okay, I know. Yay! It's a bag. I love this color. Thank you so much. I can use this for work. Yay! Ooh, I think this is from my Secret Santa from work. This is my wish list. And let's see. I actually, before I opened it, before I took out the item, I actually requested for a contour set or a denim jacket. And obviously, I got this. Wow. Thank you so much. I actually needed this badly, and I remember she asked me what brand do I use, but surprisingly I got this brand and I know that it's really nice. Thank you so much. Can't wait to use this. Alright, next item. Oh, so environmental friendly. I can reuse this small pouch. Oh, the one who gave this is really a fashionista. Thank you so much. Yes, you know guys, I only have like 2 set of earrings and that's all, because I really stopped collecting a few years back. But thank you so much for this. I know that I can use this probably if I go like to a beach, or it's nice. Thank you. Oh my god, I can't believe I have a lot of gifts this time. This is from, okay, I'll just hide the name, from my friend at work. It's from Uniqlo. Welcome to Uniqlo. Oh, thank you. I love white so much. It's size small, perfect. Oh, I can use this for work before I wear the uniform, especially when it's cold at night. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes. I'm so happy. All right. Let's open the next one. Here? Oh, okay. This is from my previous housemate. Thanks, Ate. Oh, it's white again. It's a top. Thank you. Oh, thank you for giving me basic tees. I love white. Thank you so much. And I think I still have one. I'm so loving it. I have a lot of gifts. Last but not the least, this is from my housemate. Thank you so much. Yay, a sanitizer again. And oh, perfect. This is perfect. The other day I was looking from online and I wanted to buy socks. Thank you. It's so Christmassy, but it's fine. I love it. It's a good material. It's perfect for cold weather. Thank you so much. So guys, just giving you the flat lay of everything that I received for this Christmas, and thank you so much for all of my friends who gave this and took the effort to find all these products. I mean, I know that it is a crisis for this year and it has been difficult all throughout the year, but it is always the thought that counts. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas, everybody.